Alright, it's the end of a long day for me, guys. But I got enough in me to do a little bit more. So it's just going to be a really quick video of me just installing my light pods that I built. If you haven't seen the series, make sure you go check that out. It's in a playlist of its own over on the playlist section on my channel. So be sure to go check that out if you want to make your own little light pods like this or a large light bar. My technique works for both. Like, you can extend it if you want. You can make your own size, you know. So it's just going to be a casual video, just putting this on. It's literally 4 screws, and I'm done. So, just move this off to the side here. So these are going to be going back here, right on that screw there. Alright, so I'm just gonna attach these right here onto this brace. It's just this chassis cross brace right here. Yeah. And these will be hooked up, of course, with my light bar as well. So when I have my light bar on, these will be on as well, allowing me to see whatever I'm traversing very easily. And let's see, is that going in? I think it is. Yeah, okay, it is. Good. Now hopefully this doesn't interfere with the bed that I have, the drop bed. It shouldn't, but there you go. There's one. It just sort of sits in there like that. I'll do the other side too. I have a feeling that I'm going to enjoy these. Oh, oops, wrong screw. I have a feeling that I'm going to enjoy these light pods quite a bit. I'm going to be able to do a lot more night videos for you guys and other stuff like that, so I'm looking forward to doing that. Night videos more in the summer though, because it's I know we've already had daylight savings, but I don't like being outside when it's cold and dark, you know. That's just not really that fun. So let's get it positioned roughly the same. There we go. Let's see. We'll just leave them like that. You can see we've got one here and one over here. And they're facing that way, which is like forward. And I need to hook them up, which my hookups are in this box here. Yeah. Just take these screws out. Make sure I don't get them confused with those. There we go. Rat's nest. Those wires and such. Where's my other Y harness? I had another Y harness, and now where did it go? Uh-oh. Okay, so turns out I don't actually have a Y harness. The one that I had bought for the scaler is actually over there on my comp crawler. So I'm gonna have to go buy another one. But until I can do that, or until I can make one or something like that, I know you're gonna yell at me for this, but I found this in our parts bin. Yeah, it's a Traxxas differential locker out of a Summit. And I thought, wait a minute, what am I thinking? It's got the right end here, and it's got 2 plugs there. It's got to have some sort of through connection. And I tested it and it works. So I'm just going to be using this until I can get a proper Y harness. I'm not going to run it with this. I mean, maybe once, but I'm not going to have this in any like trail runs or anything when I am filming. So bit of a funny one there. It does work, so I'm just gonna, I already have a splitter on here for my top light bar, which is this plug here is for my top light bar, and then I'm gonna have another one coming out of this plug for my back rock lights, which for now is gonna be played by this little Traxxas module here. And again, I'm not actually going to be running it like this, so red to red, black to black. Same thing over here. I mean, it's a nice little thing. I mean, I might still, well, I don't know. We'll see. I might find a way to, well, I don't know. I like the idea of not having wires, so I might figure out a way to make a little proto board or something like this, but without having to use any wires. That might make it easier and just mount it like right on there. Maybe, not really sure. But until I decide, I guess we're just gonna, oh well, I guess there's no good place to mount this really, is there? I guess we'll just put it there. Yeah, sure. Let's see if I have a zip tie or something. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna, I guess I'm just gonna strap this on right here because it's the best I can do right now. And then, you know, tomorrow or some other day when I go to the, or when I am down near my hobby shop, I will pop in there and grab a Y harness because I don't know why I would have used it on my comp crawler. That is just so weird. I don't understand why I would have done that because I had it specifically for this. But it was probably the same reason. I had forgotten to buy one, and so, you know, it just ended up that I thought, hey, wait a minute, I've got one over here. Snag it, and now I need another one, so that's how it rolls around here. I thought maybe we'd have one, like, laying in our parts bin, like, hidden somewhere, you know, but this was all we had, so. Alright. Tuck this all back in here. It won't be as bright with that little T-lock module, but that's fine, since it's not permanent, so. Squish this all back in here, and, oh wait, this actually needs to come out. Let's see over here. I know this is a rat's nest to some of you guys, but it's really no issue for me. I mean, I guess it is a bit of a rat's nest, but it's alright. It's no big deal. No big deal. I'm sure you've probably heard me saying lately that I've been trying to sell my Yeti and stuff. And I have been. I have not yet sold it. And I'm going to be getting a new truck, and I am going to be. As soon as I get the money, I will put an order in for that, and we'll get it shipped here. Hopefully pretty soon. But based on, or it's up to, or I guess how soon I get it is up to whoever decides they want it. Whoever decides they want the Yeti first. So, alright, there we go. That'll serve the purpose for now. Let's grab the top. Actually, let's just show you real quick here. Okay, turn those off. So now, there you go, and you can see, bong, there you go. The lights in there, they're not, I don't think they're at full brightness, but I'm not sure, they might be. You can see that they're pretty bright under there. And then also, let's grab the top. Alright, here you go. I turned all the lights off and I shut my curtains. You guys ready? Boom! Look at that. Let's get you down and underneath there. Yeah. Look at those. That's awesome. That's really sweet. I really like how they turned out. I think that they look really good, and I think that they're going to look really good out at night on the trail. I'm probably going to move them a little bit so that they shine in the right spot a little bit better. But anyway, I really like how those turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. I'm trying to get 200 subs. I know I've said that a lot. If we can do it, I'll do an unboxing. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't seen the little series where I built these, be sure you go check it out. It's in a playlist of its own over on my channel. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.